Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Continue.dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline. In order to do so, here we are at Continue.dev. We're also at github.com/features/copilot, and we're at Cline.bot. And to do a comparison of the three, we're going to go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, here's a detailed comparison of Continue.dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline, focusing on their features, strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool developed by GitHub in collaboration with OpenAI, and it's integrated with various IDEs like Visual Studio Code. Its key features include context-aware code suggestions, and it offers intelligent code suggestions based on the context of what you're writing. It can assist in numerous programming languages like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, etc., and it automatically generates comments and documentation for better understanding and maintenance. It has deep integration with GitHub and other development tools, and it's efficient at enhancing coding speed through real-time code suggestions. Its weaknesses may produce code that is syntactically correct, but not semantically appropriate, and it does require a subscription after a trial period, which may not suit all developers. It's best for individual developers looking to speed up their coding process and enhance productivity in personal or small-scale projects. Continue.dev, on the other hand, is an AI-driven platform that combines coding assistance with features aimed at enhancing team collaboration and productivity. It's similar to Copilot, and it provides context-aware code suggestions. It enables team members to work together, facilitating pair programming and live code reviews, and it offers automatic commenting and documentation, improving project clarity. It balances between code writing, assistance, and collaborative features, making it useful for both individuals and teams, and it focuses on learning and continuous improvement through integrated resources. As an AI tool, it can sometimes generate incorrect or suboptimal code, necessitating careful oversight, and its dependence on cloud connectivity for features may be a drawback in limited bandwidth scenarios. It's suited for both individual developers seeking productivity boosts and teams looking for enhanced collaboration and code review functionalities. Cline, finally, is a developer collaboration platform that leverages AI to enhance code quality and streamline team workflows. Its key features include collaborative code review. It supports real-time reviews and feedback among team members. It provides intelligent suggestions and improvements during the coding process focused on code quality. It works with continuous integration and deployment tools for maintaining code quality, and it's excellent for fostering teamwork and improving code quality through structured reviews. It has strong integration capabilities with existing development workflows and CI/CD processes. However, it's more focused on team environments than individual coding tasks. Individual features may be less robust than those in Copilot or Continue.dev, and there's a higher learning curve and potential administrative overhead for managing team processes. It's best for teams that required a structured approach to code reviews and collaboration, particularly in large or complex projects. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.